Good morning, kids. How are you all? Today in this session we are going to revise the concept of greater and lesser than. In our previous session, with the help of our friend Ali the alligator, we understood the concept. Okay, so first we will revise that and then we will learn it further. Okay, so you are ready for the session? Come on, let's start. Here is our friend Ali the alligator, right? So he is very hungry and he loves to eat more and more food, right? So here we understood that in this group we have 3 sandwiches, and here we have 1. So Ellie the alligator will prefer to eat this group because this is more than this group, right? So this has more and this has less. So Ellie the alligator would prefer to eat this group, right? And again he is still hungry. So what he is going to do? He needs more food. Now we have 2 groups. In this group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples, and here we have 3 apples, right? So which group has more? This group has more, 5 and 3. Okay, so we can see Ellie the alligator would prefer to eat this group, right? It has more apples. So his mouth is wide open, right? It's wide open. Again, here we have 2 groups. In this group we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. Here we have 1. This group has more strawberries. So Ellie the alligator would prefer to eat this group because it has more strawberries, right? So again his mouth is wide open, right? Now this is a sign of greater than and lesser than. Okay, the number which is greater, that side we should keep it like this. The mouth should be open, right? So the pointed side, this side shows the lesser number, and where the mouth is open, this side shows the greater number, bigger number. Okay. So here we can see again we have 2 groups. Here we have 2 carrots, 1 and 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 carrots. So this group has more carrots. Okay. So here we can see the mouth is wide open because it is greater. 4 number is greater. 4 number is more. So this is here wide open and this side it is less. So the mouth is pointed, right? Now again here we have 2 groups. In this group we have 1, 2, 3, 4 buns. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buns. So in this we have more. This has 4 and this has 5. So 5 is greater than 4, right? We have 5 objects and we have 4 objects. So the group which has 5 objects is more, right? So 5 is greater than the number 4. So here we can see because 5 is greater, the mouth is open, right? Now here we have 2 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this we have 6 flowers, and in this group we have 3 flowers, right? So which group has more flowers? This group, right? So here we have 6, here we have 3. So 6 is greater than 3, right? So this has more. So again the mouth is wide open, right? The number which is greater, the mouth towards it is open, right? Now we may have equal number of groups, right? This is another concept we learned, greater than and lesser than. We may have equal to as well. This is the situation when we have equal number on both sides, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 3 fish, and here 1, 2, 3, 3 fish. So this is the equal to sign, because now the alligator is confused. In both the groups we have equal number of fish. So alligator is confused. So now the sign is equal to. This is the equal to sign when both the numbers are equal, when both the numbers are same, right? So this is the equal to sign. We put it when we have same number on both sides. Here we have 3 fish, here we have 3 fish. So both group has 3 fish. So 3 equal to 3. Okay. Now here we have 2 groups. In this group we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jellyfish, and in this group we have 1 and 2 jellyfish. Okay, now we are doing it in a different way. We are writing the numbers here. Till then we are doing it in a more and less way. Okay, now because we need to compare the numbers, the number is greater than or lesser than, so now we will be doing it in number form. Okay, so this is 5. Here we have 5 jellyfish, here we have 2 jellyfish. Okay, so 5 is greater than 2, right? 5 is more, 2 is less, so 5 is greater than. So you can see the mouth is wide open towards 5 because 5 is more, right? We made this sign as well, right? So we are going to put it like this because 5 is greater than number 2, right? Now here we have 2 group, right? 1, 2, 3. In this group we have 3 starfish, and in this group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 starfish. Okay, now in this group we have 5, in this group we have 3. Now we are comparing the number 3 and 5. Now which is greater? Which is greater? The 5 is greater than number 3. Now you can see the sign is towards 5, right? Like this, right? Because 5 is greater. The mouth is wide open, right? So this is like this. 5 is greater than 3, right? So this way we can practice the concept of greater and lesser than. We are going to compare the numbers. The number which comes later is bigger than the previous numbers, right? Now let's do it with the help of an activity. Here we have few groups, right? Here we have few groups. In this group we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. Oh, so we have 6 balloons here. We have 6 balloons here. Okay. Now we have equal balloons in both the groups, right? So first of all we need to count and write the number here. Parents can make this activity on a sheet of paper so that kids can practice the greater and lesser than concept. Okay. Now here we need to put the sign. So we are going to put the equal to sign, right? Now here again we have 2 groups, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here we have 9 stars, and in this group 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. Okay, now which number is greater, 9 or 4? Okay, 9 or 4. Now if you count from 1, you can see that 9 comes later than 4, right? 9 is more, greater. We have 9 objects, we have 4 objects. So we can see this group has more objects, right? And number 9 comes later than number 4. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 4 we have passed already, and we have reached to 9. So 9 comes later than 4. So the number which comes later is greater than the previous number. So 9 is more, so we are going to put sign like this. Okay, 9 is greater than 4. So towards 9 we have a wide open mouth, right? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this group we have 9. In this group we have 6. Right? Now which number is greater? 9 is greater than number 6 or 9 is lesser than number 6? So 9 comes later, right? We have 9 objects, we have 6 objects. Which group has more? This group has more. So 9 is greater than 6. So towards 9 we are going to put sign like this, wide open mouth, right? Because 9 is greater than number 6. So this way kids can practice the concept of greater and lesser from number 1 to 9. Okay, parents can make groups and then they can practice the concept of greater than, lesser than or equal to. Bye bye, have fun.